Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Block players in Valorant. So right now I'm going to show you how to block players in Valorant. I'm going to give you an example. Let's try to block. Go to the bottom. This dude here. Block him. Block player. And you won't be able to receive a message, invite, or friend request from them. You won't be able to hear them in voice chat. Don't be notified that you blocked them. So there we go. That will happen if you block them. Let's block him. So there you go. To see the people that you have blocked, just go to the top right corner, right here, then click settings. And when you're at settings, go to general, and scroll down to privacy. When you're at privacy, on the bottom of privacy, you will see block pairs. Click on that. You'll see the player that you have blocked. To unblock the player that you blocked, click on the player that you want and click unblock. Then, once you have blocked them, you'll be able to receive message, invite, and friend requests from them. You'll be able to hear them in voice chat. They won't be notified that you unblocked them. So there you go. Once you have unblocked them, they can add you again. There you go. But you won't be able to see them here anymore because when you block someone, you will automatically unfriend them. Game. So there you go. To enable for you to play with him again or her, you need to add him or her again, or she needs to add you again, or him again. So there we go. I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys learned something. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.